Trouble? Trouble, daddy? Trouble?
It's your girl Chaplin, and we are back with another BB Gang video reaction. Boom! Okay guys, like I said, we're back with another reaction video. So one of our beautiful subscribers requested this song. They said my name specifically.
Was that, oh, this was the song?
This was the one.
Oh, okay.
They said that I was going to be singing this song to Javon because I like it. So we're gonna see. Because y'all know I like Cynthia's music. I like Jada Kingdom. And it was an it was Cynthia's.
Price.
Cynthia's. No, like the singing.
Oh, singing.
Yeah.
So this is Trinidad artist, right? I mean, y'all finna carry. Y'all should know who was Cynthia. I mean, y'all should know who Jada Kingdom and Cynthia is. So.
Yeah.
Yeah, should know.
So yeah, we're gonna be reacting to this song by Patrice Roberts. It's called Carry On. Pop guitar Riddim. Soca. It's Soca music?
Soca.
Soca.
That's what I'm saying. I ain't gonna sing it to me.
Cause it's fast.
Yeah,
y'all requested a fast song.
We gonna see. All the Caribbean songs are fast though.
Okay, we're gonna see.
Like they're all Caribbean songs, but
we're gonna see. So yeah guys, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to our channel. We finna get right into this video.
Let's go. Stop up in the comment section, man. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
What the fuck?
Oh, okay. She is cute.
Yeah, these my types of shit. I'm glad this video right
He is annoying.
I'm glad this video right You got the Gucci.
Somebody need a boyfriend? I'm giving him away. Free 99.
Nigga, why you bump something to my girlfriend, bro? Damn, bro. Move over. She need to sit right here.
Boy.
Move over. She need to sit right here.
No, she don't.
Move over.
She on the video.
I'm gonna whoop this man ass. He gonna bounce into my girl, man.
You gonna whoop this man ass. You play too much.
Whoop yeah, man. And he dropped her thing.
Oh, it's love. She pretty.
I know, right?
Get that woman her keys, boy. Should have slid your number in the bag. Oh, she's pretty.
Damn, she fine right here.
Boy.
I need your number.
Her number is 911. Call me.
Her number. Yo, when after this video, I'll send this video to, if y'all know who she is right here, I'll send this video to her. Tell her, yo, hit my line.
Boy, if you don't.
Yeah, tell her I'm gonna hit her line.
Good afternoon, ladies.
Good afternoon.
How you doing? So this is a special delivery
Special delivery from me.
from the guy from the bar. He told me to deliver this, and
Girl, they want yo.
Sorry about earlier.
Yeah, they want yo. Put it, they want that.
Wait, that's my man. Hold up.
No.
Wait a minute. Is that him? That look like him a little bit.
That don't look like nobody you know.
Yes, it do.
Hey, don't look like nobody you know. Stop make up shit. Stop make up thing.
Y'all, he mad. Y'all see this? Look, he mad.
Stop make up thing. I want you to do that. Stop make up. Make up brand or something.
He mad.
You don't know who this is. Cause I ain't know you. I ain't don't wanna know you.
Who is he?
He is he. You is you. Me is me.
I don't care. He look like the man I like. He look like the man I like.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now.
Okay, babe. It is him. Do what you want to me. me tonight.
Why you request this song, bro? Who request this song? I whoop your ass. Like,
Yeah.
oh, shoot, shoot. Every time I play it, man. You can't keep it still?
Oh. I like this song. She remind me of my friend Aisha.
Aisha, what's up, girl? Hit my line too.
No.
But whatever. That is him.
If you don't shut your ass,
They look alike.
you don't know him. He don't know you.
You jelly boo.
Move fast. I know he says thinking Brit.
Come here.
Don't touch me. You're supposed to be singing to me.
Okay, let me.
Who request this song and say you're supposed to be singing to me?
Okay, let me finish.
Okay, do your job.
Okay.
Wind it up.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
Why you request this song, bro? Pause it, please. When I first put on the Sentia, I could you not, I promise you, she would not stop listening to it.
I love it. I got that on my iTunes for right now. I be listening to every morning.
Big up Sentia sitting there, but sheesh.
Oh.
Are they actually together though? This is what I'm talking about. You need a pole?
Hmm?
You need a pole? My pole.
I need a pole.
My pole longer than that.
Jesus Christ.
My pole, you can make a hot dog and go
You
crazy.
little freak.
My pole, you can make a hot dog and go crazy.
Make a hot dog go crazy.
Yeah, see how she was looking at me? She's looking straight at me.
She looking at her man in that video.
She's looking straight at me. Where's do we see the man's video?
Yes.
She looking straight at me right now.
She looking-
Where is it? Pause. She looking straight at me.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, baby girl.
If you play too much.
Do the pose.
Oh my god.
Bring the camera, don't look at me more than man. I can't control this tonight, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, make
I thought I'm supposed to be singing this to you.
You're not singing.
Yes, I do. Okay, baby. That is him.
No, perfect, you know?
Yes.
From what?
But I'm gonna show you later. That looks just like him. Okay, girl.
Oh, trouble! Trouble, daddy! Trouble! What on there? What on there? Go on there.
You annoying.
You like that?
Like
You
that.
like that? Yeah, man. Me say me like it. Yeah, say me don't like it. Not give it to you, alright, baby. Yo, man, I want to kiss you, man, for. You know, she cheat for me.
She cheated on you?
Cheat for me.
Okay. They kind of turned me on a little bit when he did that.
She's just trying to give me a reaction. I ain't giving you no. I'm not giving you.
Y'all, they had me a lot hot when he
I'm
did
not giving
that.
you no attention, man.
Whatever.
She, I already got my view. I got what I need to see.
You got what you
I
need
see
to
what I need to see. What you see?
Whatever.
All you see was a little
I don't care. He's
a whisper. Oh, form.
Fool.
Spell form.
Fool.
Oh, God.
I like this song. Thank you, whoever recommended or requested this video.
She
Thank you.
failed you because she
I
didn't
like
sing.
this.
She didn't sing.
Cause I know the 911 emergency part.
The end of it.
No, she was singing that throughout the video
Then you
too.
got to do the video too.
That's okay. I'm finna download this song. Y'all already know I'm finna download this song. Y'all know I'm finna.
Tell Short to hit my line.
Period.
Tell Short to hit my line. No, more on the other one. The two of them dancing around the table.
What?
The other one with them dancing around the table.
Who dancing on the table?
No, out of the three girls, then when they remember when he bring the letter to her, and the girl in front of her, she more.
She yours?
She more.
You said she more?
What?
I want her.
Oh, you want her?
Yeah, she more.
Oh, so you like light skin chicks?
She more. She more.
She more?
All right. Yeah, if you got this video, make sure you like and subscribe. And I like that song. I like it.
I like that song.
I like that song.
You in my business? Don't do that. Thank y'all for requesting this song. You know who you are. If you see this video and you know I'm talking to you, put me.
And send this video to her. DM me.
Whatever. Alright guys, so we're gonna end the video right here. If you all liked our reaction, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to our video so y'all can get more videos from us. Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Let's go.
Alright, we'll see y'all in the next video. Peace. Bye bye.